In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord stream paused problem. If your screen share keeps freezing with a stream pause message, these quick, reliable fixes will get you back up and running. We'll start with the simplest refreshes and finish with the most effective desktop tweak. Follow along and test your stream after each step. Begin by stopping and restarting the stream. Click stop streaming, wait about 5 seconds, then start it again. That short pause lets Discord renegotiate the stream and clear minor hiccups without leaving the call. It's the fastest way to kick a stuck session back into motion. If the stream still pauses, leave the voice channel and rejoin it. This instantly refreshes the voice and video connection for everyone in the call. Rejoining forces a clean handshake with the server, which often fixes desyncs, frozen frames, or delays lingering from a previous session. Next, restart Discord. On a computer, make sure you fully close it, not just minimize. On Windows, use the system tray, click the arrow near the clock, right-click the Discord icon and choose quit. On macOS, choose quit from the menu bar or right-click the dock icon and quit the app. Then relaunch Discord and try streaming again. On mobile, force close the app from the app switcher so it actually stops running in the background, then open it fresh. A true restart clears stuck processes and refreshes your session token. Finally, if you're on PC, turn off hardware acceleration, which is the most effective fix for persistent stream paused issues related to graphics rendering. Open user settings with the gear icon, go to advanced, toggle hardware acceleration off, and restart Discord when prompted. Hardware acceleration hands off some visual tasks to your GPU. When drivers or overlays conflict, it can stall the stream. Disabling it routes rendering through software instead, which is more stable for screen sharing. After Discord restarts, start your stream and see if the pauses are gone. If animations feel slightly less smooth, that's normal and a fair trade for a stable stream. That's it. Stop and restart the stream, leave and rejoin the voice channel, restart Discord fully, and on PC, disable hardware acceleration and relaunch. These steps resolve the vast majority of stream paused problems quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your stream running smoothly again.